Okay, I just want to show you what I've discovered here, which you probably might even already know, but I'm just running it by you. But anyway, in the Koala writer, I've noticed, okay, that if I won't go do nothing with this here. I'm just going to, I usually go to GP4, but we go down to blog post where it says here, Amazon product roundup, okay? You can do a single product review as well, but the roundup is you can here let's just change this. Let's change this to, for instance, best chicken coop with wheels. And then down here we go to Amazon.com. We're going to do 5 products. We're going to enable first-hand experience. Okay, this is our code that will go into the products. So we get your affiliate code. That's your affiliate code right there. You don't have to put nothing in here. You can put keywords in there if you want. You want to put chicken coop with wheels, so we can do that. Or if there's a search URL you want to put in that you know of. But anyway, you can go down. You can change this to point of view, whatever. Do the out and do frequent questions. Now it will create an outline. Take a few minutes or seconds, probably about 30-40 seconds, depending on how fast your internet is. And when the outline comes up, it'll have all those products picked. And then you write the article and it'll put pictures in. I won't write the article because when you write the article, it'll deduct it from the words, even if you just write it. And I don't know how to not accept it. So I haven't figured that one out yet. But here's the products, okay? And there's 5 products here. And then their buying guide. And also we'll have under these products, it doesn't show it here, but usually it has a pros and cons to that product. But if you want me to do something like that, occasionally or often, because it's good for the affiliate links. And then you got your you can modify these 2 top features to look for. These are all the questions, okay? So that's that phase of it, okay? Now, if I go to Koala Chat, I can go down here. I can find any picture I want pretty much. But say, for instance, I got to put in this code first before each picture. Dream, /dream. And then sometimes you have to use one of those. Other times you don't. But I usually don't use it unless I have a truck problem. But anyway, you can put in here, like, for instance, dogs playing with baseball. That's kind of specific. See what happens. And search. Let's see what comes up. And that takes about 10 to 20 seconds or whatever, depending on your internet again. And now we got a dog playing with that looks like a baseball, but it's a tennis ball. But that's one picture. Or you can do something like chickens. Whoops, put the code in. Got chickens eating corn on the cob. And again, it's looking. Take about 10, 20, 30 seconds. Now I can do that again. It'll come up with a different picture about dogs with a baseball. If you don't like that one, try it again. It'll come up with a different one usually. But here's what I come up. There's corn on the cob and chickens. Okay. Pretty neat. And it's pretty, and these are all real time. I don't think that makes much difference here. The real time thing. I've tried it both ways. I don't know. I couldn't find anything about that, why it's there, but it must be maybe current data. That might be it. I don't know. And these might be older pictures. I have no idea. But anyway, that's those. So here's some that I've looked up before. French bulldogs. Okay, this was an article I actually tried to write. Okay, and this is no, these are actually not articles. These are like, for instance, these are all the bulldogs. Bulldogs eating. Bulldogs. Puppies nursing. It couldn't find nursing, but it had showed it with a mom. And here it's, I said, eating, thinking that it might come up searching, you know, with a baby, with a mother. And these are all the bulldog ones that I found, which I thought was pretty neat. Here's chickens eating fruit. That's all chickens eating fruit. Okay, and it's pretty unique, and I kind of like it. It's easier to do this than it is to actually go to the free sites and then go to all chickens and then try to find a chicken eating something. You just usually just find a chicken and group of chickens, or maybe they're scratching around or whatever. But this is more specific, and I kind of like that. But anyway, let me know what you think. Talk to you later.